am I far away? Sorry. Wait a minute. Let me see something right quick. Hold on, y'all. Okay, hey y'all. So hi. How y'all doing? Thank y'all for coming. My name is Chastity. I ain't had nothing else to go after that. So thank y'all for coming to the video. Hi. I have a tripod. Not the one that my phone is on, but I mean I have this one too, but I just realized that I probably look bad right now. Anyway, so I have a tripod. I just ordered a new tripod from Amazon, and so we're gonna be unboxing it. Well, I'm going to be, and you're going to be watching. The tripod that I have my phone on right now is the one that came with my ring light, and I thought it was broken, but it's back together now because I'm using it right now. The one I ordered that we're gonna be unboxing today is bigger than this one because it's just like a little small one like this. So I'm gonna get the okay. Here's a box, but hold on. Okay, so I adjusted the thing a little bit. This is a box. Hold on, let me go see. Hold on a minute. Okay. My mom was out there talking, so I'm gonna see what she wanted. Hopefully everything looks good. Well, can y'all see my little dog? Oh, yes, the unboxing. Oh, I need a scissors. Hold on. Oh, it's right here. So yeah, we're gonna see what I got in here. What? It's in a box. In a box. Here it is. Tripod 3110. Made in China. I'm gonna spray this down really quick. So this is it. It says 3-way head, built-in level, 4-sec aluminum leg. 4-sec? What's 4-sec? Is that like triple sec? Also, what is triple sec? Quick lever lock. What? Okay, so 10, 1 meter. Well, 3-way pan head, 4-section leg. Oh, this is only 3. What they talking about? Rubber leg tip, quick lever lock. Well, that's what it was there. I don't really understand it, but this is supposed to be 42 inches. Yeah. Coaching phone tripod. Wireless remote. I think this was $12.99 or something like that. This is a 42-inch situation. Oh, it comes in a bit. Didn't know those pieces was gonna be. Oh, I just remember there's gonna be a lot of stuff to this. Here's the instructions. Oh, this is the remote, which I probably won't use. I ain't used the one that came with my ring light. So this is the part that hooks the tripod to this, I'm assuming, which is the part the phone goes in. This is the tripod itself. I'm gonna spray this too. Y'all know me. And if you don't, what we do now? So I like the little bag. Oh, they got like a backpack. What? I'm tired of spraying everything too, by the way. And that's really on me. That ain't nobody else. Just me. Just me doing that. Oh, this is how you make it tall. This is not 42 inches. This ain't 42 inches. Oh, they talking about that. Well, anyway, they have a level on the side, like the construction people use. They got one of them on the side of here. Oh. It don't look straight. It's in the middle. Wait. Oh, you got something to do with that. Well, anyway, it's a little level right there. This is not 42 inches. How many inches this is, y'all? This is the length of my hair, which is like 16. I mean, it's... So I guess you gotta read the instructions. This... What? That goes directly on there? What's this then? What's all this stuff? I don't think it goes directly on there. That's not what came with mine. Oh, I mean, it's already on there. I guess that's what they talking about. What they talking about, y'all? What they talking about? Oh. What? Y'all think mine broke. Oh, y'all can't see what I'm doing. I'm just tightening this so it can stay up. It ain't doing it. What? Oh, I guess it's tight. I guess I want to be tighter than that. I guess. What's this? Oh, that's for that. Yes, I had the instructions right by me, but I'm not gonna read them about it. What is this? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They showing a lot of stuff on here that I don't have unless they just done got it together. But why would... Okay. Don't put it together and then tell me this the pieces you got. Like, I mean, I got legs too. Y'all ain't got legs on there. What? J. They don't have J on this. I have the piece. They have I and K and G. They's talking about read the instruction, but I have this piece right here, which is what the phone goes in, J. But they don't show J on the steps. They got step 1 through 5, and none of the steps tells you where to put J. So I'm confused. And what's this? That's M. They don't tell you what's M. They're not telling me the important ones. Wait, what? Oh no, they just showing all the. These are not instructions. This is just what's in the box. Okay, y'all, let's just figure this out together. Oh, does that take that off? Okay, that takes that off, but why would you ever want to do that? Just to do it? What's this? Like, it goes on here. You could screw it on this, but why? Why would you do that? I don't know what this is either. This was $12.99, but like, I mean, I ain't got $12.99 to just be giving away. Like, what's this? Something about this? They got something to do with that? I guess. I guess that's supposed to tighten this, but it don't really do it. It do it a little bit. What's this? Something about this? Wait, that feel like... Oh, that's this? Wait, that felt like that was this. Wait. Bruh. I don't know what's what. Okay, so I think the phone goes on... Oh, the phone holder. Which I can't put my phone... I got another phone I can put in it. Oh, they got... What? What? Okay. Well, I would probably be using it like this. But I guess if you put it on there the flat way, and I would just be using it like this, right? But I guess if you put it on there the flat way, then that's when you would be doing it. Well, I guess when you would be doing all this. Oh, this probably be good to help me with my cooking videos. I don't know how to tighten this. Is it this part? But wait though, because this right here looks like it opens. It look like that opens. But it's not. Oh, it is 42 inches because you open, well, not open the legs, but you do the legs. Wait, this ain't. How do you make that? Oh, with this. Okay. But this how you make the legs. So it could be. Oh, I see. Okay. So you do that so the legs can come down. So yeah, now it is 42 inches, but it's... Let me put it on the floor right quick. Oh, I gotta lock it. Why you ain't tell me to lock the thing before I put it on the floor? Y'all thought I had sense. Y'all ain't even try to help me out. Well, it's a little bit up higher than I'm gonna put my phone in it and then and put it on the floor and put it in front of the bed and then let y'all see how that looks. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Oh, I guess I'm gonna keep the box and put it back. Well, it's got a bag. I'll keep the box and the bag. I don't know what I stopped and thought about. I definitely keep it in the bag and the bag. Oh, can y'all see the mess? I will crop this video so fast. Oh, and this it got this on it. I thought this was a what's the hold on y'all. Cause it said it was is this the 361 or is it the other one? Well, here it is. I'm using it. It's up too high. I can tell. It's not up too high. I cannot tell. So here's the tripod. I would take a picture of it sitting on the floor, but it's a lot of stuff in this room right now. And also, y'all know what tripods look like. So, well, anyway, thank you for looking at this video. Thanks for watching my struggles. I'll get it together and figure it out. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And hit my Etsy shop if you would like some jewelries. And also shop on if you would like to check out thegreatnorth.net and viably.com. They have eco-friendly products and like just like a lot of good stuff. Like on Viably they got beauty stuff, clothes, pet stuff, and the Great North mostly has like clothes and accessories. They got a lot of different stuff too, but yeah, check out those websites. I leave the link in the description. I have 10% off code for Viably, and I have a 30% off code for thegreatnorth.net. So if y'all would like to shop there, please use my discount codes. And oh yes, also shop on my Etsy shop. Oh, I said it, but I didn't say what it was. Etsy.com. My Etsy shop is in the description as well. So all those links are in the description. So just hit everything. And yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching this video. I appreciate it. Please do good and be good. I'll see you on the World Wide Web. I'm gonna edit this and put it up now.